And tomorrow, when they come 9:30, the time will not be sufficient enough for consultation.
Okay, Mr. Ramsey-Pedi?
As the court places, my lord, I do concur with the sentiment of Mr. Mgomezulu, because the record so far, what I've gone through with what we've been furnished, it's quite voluminous. So we don't know how much volume still are we going to receive. So consultation should be set aside. And just with respect to one number, my lord, I wanted to give it to the state. This number was attributed as that being of accused number 2. However, upon consultation with accused number 2, and also me personally dialing this number with that instruction, we need the RICA information and further information on this number, because it's pivotal to what was mentioned by Lieutenant Colonel Hose, and Mr. Stein didn't touch on this number. 072 505 7056. This number is attributed to a different person, and she does confirm she's been using this number for a long time, and in court it has been placed as if it's accused number 2's number.
Which different person is that?
It's a female person in the Marikana area.
Does your client know that person?
Yes. Yes.
Mr. Maloyi, are you going to subpoena that person? Because it's a miracle for 2 people
Yes.
to have the same number.
Yes. The information will be followed up.
As the court places,
Yeah. Yes, Mr. Mayor.
I align myself with the sentiments of my learned friends.
Okay.
We will need sufficient time to consult.
What's sufficient? 1 day? 1 month, 1 year?
We don't know the volume of the information that we will
Okay,
use.
fine.
Thank you.
Mr. Mamalu?
My daughter, I wish to confirm that I have not received the requested information that I've requested last time. And so I'm not going to be in a position to commence my cross-examination of Lieutenant Kenneth Holmes.
Okay, Ms. Mshono?
Thank you, my lord. I think, my lord, upon receipt of the information from the state will then indicate how much time do we need to consult.
Okay.
My Lord, I can just mention that we did on Friday finish the Section 205s that the defense requested to them. However, they insist that they want the whole package, including the founding affidavit upon which the information was sought. That is the information that the investigating team is gathering. My Lord.
So, you want us to adjourn until when?
Adjourn until tomorrow, my Lord.
They say Mr. Mgomezulu says tomorrow is too soon.
Yes, I think once they're in receipt of the information, they can then maybe use tomorrow to consult and maybe give an indication of how much time they require. But I think let's take one step at a time, finish the information, then resume tomorrow.
Is that not practical, Mr. Mgomezulu?
It's practical.
Yeah,
Please.
The other issue, obviously, you don't have enough time to consult at the prison where these gentlemen are kept.
Yeah, but there are time frames when we can consult with them. If they are
Is
in
it
court,
not easier for them to come here?
yes,
I mean, it must be.
yes,
And then you consult from 10
until
to 3:30.
correct, ma'am.
Yeah. Unlike going to prison there,
That's correct.
and then they tell you the minister is visiting. Is that not so, sir?
That is indeed so.
Okay. Can you interpret for me?
Kafishane njena ke okwenzekayo ukuthi ke nanjengoba befanele ukuthi uLieutenant Colonel Hose uyaqhubeka ke namhlanje noma wethula ubufakazi bakhe ke uyasho ke mshutshisi ukuthi ke lokhu noma imininingwane le ibiceliwe yibona abameli ke akakaqedi ngayo uLieutenant Colonel Hose uthi ke uzoqeda namuhla becela ukuthi icala lehlisele kusasa kodwa base beyaphendula abameli ukuthi ke kusasa ke angeke kube isikhathi esanele ukuthi singaqhubeka ngoba amaphepha lawo bazowathola kusasa bese bedinga isikhathi sokuthi bahlale phansi ke baxoxisane noma bakhulumisane nani lokho kubizwa ngokuthi uconsulta manje ke leso sikhathi asingeke saneleke akushoyo ke umshushisi ukuthi abawatholeke namuhla lawo maphepha lawo noma kusasa bese ke bayasho ke kusasa ukuthi badinga isikhathi esingakanani sokuthi bakaconsulta nani siboneke ukuthi singaqhubekela phambili okusho ukuthi ke namhlanje angeke siqhubekeke ngenxa yalokho. Ekhona ke nokunye futhi okushiwo uMr Ramusipile mayelana nawe Mnumzana Ntanzi ukuthi kunale number ekukhulunywe ngayo la enkantolo uthi naye ke uKenneth Steyn ukhulumile ngayo uthe mayibiza leyo number 0725057056 lana uma kukhulunywa enkantolo kuthiwe inamba yakho leyo kodwa ke yena kunaso isiqinisekiso ukuthi leyo number ukhulumile naloyo muntu lowo umuntu wesifazane ebezama nje ukuthi noma befuna ukuthi akushoke lokho ukuthi la enkantolo kuthiwe inamba yakho kodwa kuye kwatholakala ukuthi omunye umuntu naloyo muntu ushilo ukuthi usenesikhathi futhi eyisebenzisa leyo number leyo.
Okay, for those reasons then, it's practical to postpone to tomorrow at 10 o'clock just to identify what documents are at hand. And if so, councils will have the opportunity to consult with their clients.
Ngenxa ke yalezo izathu icala lizohlehliswa kuze kube kusasa-ke ukubona ukuthi yiwakuphi-ke lamaphepha atholakalayo nokunikeza abameli isikhathi sokuthi ke bahlale phansi bakhulumisane nani kuboniswane ngalokho abazobe bekutholile.
Okay, so the court will adjourn then.
Yeah.